chanting Hare Krishna. It is Govardhan Lal. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. So I will chant now. This is counter. I usually chant 16 rounds a day. So this is beginning. This is Krishna Gusina Krishna.